Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 8 of exercise 2.4 of chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. Now I am going to read out question number 8. Now in question number 8 it is written half of a herd of deer. Now herd of a deer means what? It is a collective form of a deer. Suppose more than one deers have gathered in some place. So in the collective noun we say that particular thing as herd of deers. So there are many deers in there. So half of a herd of deers are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Now the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So we do not know how many deers are there in the herd. So the first thing that we'll do is let the total number of deer in the herd be X. Okay. Now let the total number of deer in the herd be X. Okay. Now what is the first sentence saying? Half of the herd deer are drinking in the field. So deer grazing in the field. That's the first thing that we will find out. Deer grazing in the field. That is equals to what? Half of the herd. That means 1/2 into X. That is half of the total deer, isn't it? So the answer would be X upon 2. Okay. Now they have said that half of the deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining. 3/4 of the remaining. Now if half of the herd are grazing in the field, now what are the what number of deers are remaining then? So remaining number of deers, that will be what? From total number, X/2 amount of deer are already grazing. So if we do this, we will get the remaining number of deers, isn't it? So we will do the LCM. 2. Now 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 into X, 2X. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 into X is X. So it will give you X/2 only. So this is the remaining number of deers is X/2. Now out of this X/2, 3/4 are playing. 3/4 of them are playing nearby. So the next sentence would be deer playing nearby. So deer playing nearby. That is 3/4 of the remaining deers. So remaining deer is what? X/2 only. So 3/4 of X/2 is what? 3/4 into X/2. Now if I solve this, answer will come what was? 3 into X is 3X, 4 2s are 8. So this number of deers are playing nearby. Now deer drinking water. So they have also said the rest 9 are drinking water, isn't it? So we'll write deer drinking water. That will be equals to 9. Fine. Now if I add up all the things, that is the deer grazing in the field is X/2. Now total amount of deer playing nearby is what? 3X/8, and the rest deers who are drinking water. Now if I add all those numbers, that will be equal to the total number of deers, isn't it? Now according to the problem or according to the question, so number of deers grazing in the field, that is X/2, plus number of deer playing nearby is what? 3X/8, plus and the deer drinking water, that is 9. So if I add all these three values, then we'll get the total number of deer, which is equal to is what? X only. Fine. So now what we have to do in the next step, we have to go for the LCM, isn't it? Now what we have to do, not LCM, but we'll keep the variable term here and we'll bring this variable, leave that, we'll do it later on. Now we'll take denominator 1 for 9. Now we'll take the LCM of 2, 8 and 1. So 2, 8 and 1 LCM would be 8. Okay. Now if we divide 8 by 2, what will the answer? 4. 4 into x is 4x. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 into 3x is 3x. Now 8 divided by 1 is what? 8. 8 nines are 72. Okay. Now this 8 will be transposed to this side. So 8 will be multiplied with x and we'll add this two part. Okay. That is 4x plus 3x is what? 7x plus 72. And 8 into x will become what? 8x. Now we'll take this 7x towards 8x. So answer it will look like 72 equals to 8x minus 7x. Fine. And that would be equals to what? 72 equals to x. Isn't it? Because 72, here I have written 72 and now 8x minus 7x is what? X. So value of x is what? 72. And what is x? X is what? Total number of deer in the herd is x. That means how many deers are there in the herd? So there were 72 deers in the herd. Okay, so this is what they were asking and this is your final answer, students. So this is only your answer. So this is the solution of question number 8. So that's it for this session. Now in my next video, I will explain question number 9 and question number 10. Thank you, students, and take care all of you.